Green bean casserole is a holiday classic, but what if you could make it even better? Forget the canned ingredients and elevate this beloved side dish with fresh green beans and a homemade cream sauce. This from-scratch version offers improved texture and flavor, without being any harder to prepare than the traditional recipe. By using fresh or frozen green beans, you'll create a casserole that's sure to impress your guests and become a new holiday favorite. To make this delicious green bean casserole, you'll need fresh or frozen green beans, butter, half and half flour, Dijon mustard, and a blend of seasonings including onion powder, garlic powder, and nutmeg. For that classic crispy topping, we'll still use French's fried onions. Some traditions are worth keeping. The process is simple. Start by blanching the green beans until they're bright green and slightly tender. While they cool, prepare the cream sauce by melting butter and whisking in flour and seasonings. Gradually add stock and cream, simmering until the sauce thickens. Combine the sauce with the green beans in a baking dish, then bake for 20 minutes. Finally, top with those crispy fried onions and bake for an additional 10 minutes until golden brown. If you're short on time on the big day, you can blanch the green beans a day or two in advance. You can also prepare the casserole up to the point of baking and refrigerate it until about 20 minutes before dinner time. Just pop it in the oven while the turkey is being carved and it'll be hot and ready to serve. This homemade green bean casserole is best enjoyed fresh from the oven. Leftovers will keep in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, but for the best texture, it's not recommended to freeze this dish. Serve your green bean casserole piping hot alongside other holiday favorites like roast turkey, mashed potatoes, and stuffing. This fresh take on a classic is sure to become a new tradition at your holiday table.